I guess you can't close it. 5300, okay. 5009. Yeah, this looks familiar. I've seen a video like this before. It looks creepy. Do they have a subway map around here or anything? Okay. Oh, they have a signal. Do these things even work? Actually, I'll show you over here. This one I'm talking about. Over here. I wonder if those things actually even work in here. Oh my gosh, perfect. They could have just... Yes, my seat. It's so my seat. I'm definitely sitting behind the driver. My seat. Totally my seat. Not any of your seats, for crying out loud. I'm stuck in... Oh, oh my gosh, you can go. Jeez. Yay! Well, some wires on some of the chairs, so. Yeah, everyone knows that. Thank you very much. You even know this is an old train.